MF Travels presents our Pinel Island adventure in Sint Maarten. Taking the ferry to Pinel Island. I think it's that way. Apparently it's super nice there. There's two. Damn. This is Pinel Island. Check it out. Check it out. Pretty nice. Just right in time for lunch. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. We spent a good half a day here, and we had such an amazing time. Having a salad, cheeseburger, and a kid's meal.
Fish.
Oh, fish? We're here at Pinel Island. Check it out. Woo. Super nice, super shallow, clear waters.
Super shallow. See, look, I can still stand. This is how
Pinel Island.
totally not born yet.
We ate lunch. We got here at 11:30, and now we're here. Sunbathing, chilling. Relaxing.
Hashtag too many ferries. Too many ferries. Because we were on 3 ferries.
Ferry, like
I couldn't
ferry.
Ferry.
Ferry, yeah.
Ferry.
Hernan.
What? No.
Hernan.
Darn.
Super nice over here at Pinel Island. It's about a 10-minute boat ride, and you get to stay here for a day. And it's pretty nice. Just chill, have lunch, chill some more, de-stress from the world. This is Pinel Island. Ow! Pinel Island. It's pretty cool. I'm walking off over here all the way. Let's see how deep is your love. It's still shallow. Still super shallow. Still super shallow. Look how far I am from the shore. Super cool.
It's been 60 years and I finally made it. It's been 60 years now, guys.
60 years.
It's been 60 years and I finally made it to my dad. My dog came back in after 5 years and now I feed it every day. Dad, wait! I
It's so
can't!
shallow here.
I
Look
can't! See, oh.
how far we are from the shore.
Exactly!
And it's still shallow here.
It's still super shallow.
The girl was right. We're gonna enjoy this place.
I can just go like this.
There you go. See? We're here.
I'm holding on for dear life.
It's super shallow. Look at that
Super
shore.
shallow, look. See?
Super nice. nice here. Pinel Island. This is Pinel.
And it's been 60 years since I got here.
Pinel Island.
I saw 2 fishies.
Clear water of Pinel Island. Yeah.
I feel like I just saw a blackfish.
Blackfish?
Yeah. Mom, look!
Let's shout your mom.
Mom!
This way. This is more of like a 720.
Okay. You know what's weird? So I open my eyes when my eyes are fine. But then when a little tiny drop goes in my eye, I'm not fine. I accidentally did it. I'm on tippy toes.
You have a little floaty.
I don't need a floaty, I can stand. And that's how short I am.
Can you stay in the water without
And here are some photos that we took. Pinel Island guarantees a full day of fun for the entire family. Its shallow and tranquil waters on the bayside provide a great location for families with kids to snorkel and swim around. Check out this wooden swing. Pinel Island was named after a pirate that arrived here in 1689. You'll see many iguanas all over the island. Check out this big one. The island is a nature reserve, allowing for a variety of short hiking trails across the island. GoPro, stop recording. And here's more iguanas. We're here at Pinel Island.
Big full body in it.
It's best kept secret of St. Maarten.
kept secret?
Apparently. I just read it.
How is it kept secret if it's...
Now let's capture some drone shots of the island. Pinel Island is right off the coast of French side St. Maarten. At its closest point, it is only 50 meters from mainland St. Maarten. A large inland bay separates it from French Cul-de-Sac and Orient Bay. We had such a great time here. Having said that, I'll let you enjoy the drone shots and Pinel Island's scenery. I hope you enjoyed watching and comment down below if you have any questions. Bye Pinel. See you later. Don't forget to book your vacay with me, MF Travels. Catch you later.